This Sandra or him to Adom. Entertainment I mean to Ghana for Chemwa.
Sending where the jail or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Osmo,
We a guy.
Osmo, big up yourself. You already be no catch up parry, one no and a boss and there. Na me more aquaba Sean world of entertainment. Near H.G. Na say entertainment is the people me fear me kwabontin and kopeshe ewo ho. And shuma ya mo fresh media bia. Abba. They are here for 6 good years. Now this particular season no Eda Sean Kokra, we heard Sunny and Mofra, or Munim She, or Mobaye, the Omuniman and Yum Tour. Na Pennyfo bit is an Chroma and the Dusty, Akosia Japan, and then main crop for Mebusia for Adom TV. If I was more way Boma Adom TV, Bomaya 1 minute, non-stop. Give it to them non-stop, just clap. Straight off. This is for my family. Team Adom, say a mofra pa 8 to 13 years. Na mofra basho. Na mo di omo fanti team. Na di onim. Di already audition no mo baye asaka ken yo mo se ko nkola na ba no my tensed. Ebi mo feel very nervous. Since omo ba nkola ma me kakra metimi ai ne se me ni omo bet asaka kra TikTok neja or my release stress. So that was just by the way I share real quick you know. And here e mofra no akwentuo no say na akọ nipa ba akọ wa be che ne bobre we increase like we grow e won shoma this particular season Lee ba no feriade. She was very calm like on some for now so my home rapper for no dey lead dey obonyo Hollywood because girl no or you brony straight now so shoma dwumade no obefa mu no ye kire no ameni Ojina stage otimi commanding. Yearly performance from week 1 to week 12. Yeba. Boy nga pa picture nga me adoma kwasi ade da enimia West Hills Mall na me kaio by 3 na wojina hoje the when ye nimagina. Say ya obehu favorite performer. Now this is the time I was say we vote ma who favorite I was supporting throughout the weeks you know. Because this is the finals. If you don't do it this way have you interview na vida mo be so yakon we you to so abaya bakwa she came with her A game. She came very prepared, but I think along the line she wasn't getting enough voting you know affecting it kakra, but she bounced back because Nanan Kroma e wo hono momo. She is beautiful. You're her also from week 1 to week 12. Jen or the background yeba oh bon na Adom TV for and eda mu nyina amase na make I will say Adbell travel and tour for Adom you know winner of Inshuma season 6 or Nairobi or we are at twam hwi ko Dubai where that was more bomb because easy about tonyoma we are Adbell for say the walk Nairobi from Nairobi to Dubai in Inshuma season 6 when idea which name and son when your cash prizes oh man no so guy way the only guy standing the last man standing I want Inshuma season 6 about audition make me who no the enthusiasm the zeal the passion and I'm saying no you came prepared and you'll be a semi about one done and also Bemu and his stage performance as when he saw catcher here from week 1 to 12 it's into 13 good minutes I was so showing Shoma Jumedie Senia economic house Franco Trading Enterprise still my phone papa ifi or many more much will be and was CCTV camera see to Franco pay name my Franco number no Google M1 because they say na call for no or more upgrade pa Google no or more home movie and for Franco I was 0246 42 2338 and 055 593 9311. The youngest in the competition, the youngest kiddo in the competition, she's just 8 years. Now her penny for no meshia or no penny so Ketri, Miami baby girl, Ghana Bisiaba. She or no money in history. Ninuya ba Inshuma season 1 na ye ko takra da ne nua na ebe audition no ye baby kete awodi ne nua na chi sa ne nyina akra na be hwe techniques no eboa ne ho de ba season 6 ene ni ono so ye contestants wadokwa akomu to the finals. Your Ghana Bisiaba performances so far. No, and I make out sing a me adoma kwesi ade die in West Hills Mall. Be seated by 3-5 near live on air. And Shroma season 6 grand finale. Not made that Fabrics Wholesale GH I say. Omine name a catcho. We won Savaka says store ya pam a Fabrics Wholesale GH. Material na your one. I said no more mommy different types of material no. We are fashionista and answer we all shop with baby to materials affordable very nice pa make for Fabrics Wholesale GH amount or more beka aligned filling station or echi honoma shoshomo na to material no yen sam pam enfama we mean tidy 2 pieces thing na a Fabrics Wholesale GH Hair Logistics GH our TikTok Instagram oni wigi and one mommy braids or so it's the same as that sandupe braids and a Hair Logistics a mommy nice wigi say about a wigs, wig cap and more. So Hair Logistics GH on Instagram and TikTok now on sortable neat. Abaya back with the obaya and on way any superstar that or tonium or TikTok no so your live worship or no and penny for booking or our TikTok live manetonium. But or jitum say and Shroma any Adom TV platform no eso into obaswa or betting selling homo none other but Kumerican, the only Kumerican in the show, Ohima Perez. You're in a performance in bar. Voti, Eddie Amano, no share West Hills, Kwesiada, I die and him. Happy birthday to baby girl Eunice Bruce Jabwa. Baby girl, we a guys, die baby. Yami ain't sure, or man quatentia, a hoarding, a womb. Nini free Adom, Adom. We love you so much. God's blessings, baby girl. Woni papa padodo. Metelswa. Na my story. Happy birthday, Eunice Bruce Yabwa. Baby girl, lady in red. Just have fun today. Well, cash don't find her to say this. I say, Yamin shall pay. Salasi Brown and so a jum tunia one so baba so kakra or born home day. Happy birthday. No mungina lady in red. Or more many pay. Salasi, happy birthday from all of us here. We love you. What's most is PR Sarah Parry Thomas Saman Poma. Ubia Somechi, Image Media near Kama Eric Waha, Imawaha, Mungina Moya guy. Hidden Glow, any tree my name Emma. I'm the guy's queen. Shamukuma. Baboom. Oh, Macau.